Sa mundo ngayon, ang popular na mindset ay self-made success, self-made millionaires, or self-made billionaires. Build it on your own, I did it my way. Pero alam mo ba, hindi ganon ang biblical blueprint ng success. Sa Bible, hindi sinasabi na self-made ka. Deuteronomy 8:18 says, "It is God who gives you the power to create wealth." Ibig sabihin, kahit ang ability mo na mag-success, galing kay Lord. Proverbs 21:5 says, "The plans of the diligent lead surely to abundance." Hindi shortcut, hindi overnight success, diligence, planning, faithfulness. Ecclesiastes 11:2 even teaches diversification. Invest in 7 ventures, yes, in 8. Thousands of years ago na, the Bible already taught wise investing. At sabi ni Jesus sa Luke 16:10, "He who is faithful in little is faithful also in much." Kaya ang biblical wealth blueprint ay ito: God as the source, diligence in work, wisdom in investing, faithfulness in stewardship. Hindi self-made success. Ito ay God-empowered success. Kung gusto mong mag-build ng wealth the Bible way, huwag mong gawin idol ang sarili mong ability or effort. Recognize the source. Seek Jesus first. Comment mo dyan, my success comes from God. Blessed to be a blessing.